Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare some delicious aguachiles rojos. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by prepping our shrimp. Here I have 1 pound of raw shrimp and I already cleaned them. And we're just going to butterfly them. Okay, so just give it a butterfly. Just like that. And we're going to repeat to all of the shrimp. Okay, so once we have our shrimp ready, now we can make our salsa. Okay, so we're going to be toasting a chile de arbol and 1 chile morita. So once they begin to smell, we're going to remove them from the comal. So this step is very quick. You don't want to burn the chiles. And the chile morita will puff. Okay, so after about 45 seconds, our chiles are ready. So remove them from the comal. And now we're going to char 5 garlic cloves. After a couple minutes, our garlic cloves are done. So we're going to remove them from the comal and get ready to smash them. Okay, so I'm going to be using my molcajete, but of course you can use your blender cup to smash down your garlic cloves and the chiles. So let's begin with the garlic cloves. And we just want a paste. So smash it down. Okay, so once we have a garlic paste, we're going to add our chiles. And just crush them. Okay, so after a really good arm workout, we have our paste. So now we're just going to set that to the side. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of Clamato juice, along with 2 teaspoons of Maggie sauce. And for our spices, we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I just splatter everywhere. So just mix it. Make sure you clean your molcajete. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. And just mix it. And here you can taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. But once we have that, we're going to pour it on our shrimp. Okay, so pour the sauce to the shrimp. And now we're going to squeeze lemon juice. So we're going to add enough to cover the shrimp. Okay, so I'm doing half and half lemon and half lime. But just make sure that the shrimps are fully covered. So just mix it. Okay, now I'm going to be adding a little bit of cilantro and some purple onion. Okay, so now we're going to place our shrimpies in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. Alright guys, so after 45 minutes, our shrimp is ready. So we're going to finish it, putting it together. I'm going to be adding some cooked shrimp. And this is all optional. Along with that, some cucumber. And more onion. Just going to mix it all together. Just look at that. Alrighty guys, so once we have it all mixed together, we can get ready for the fun part. I'm going to be topping it with some crushed chile tepin. And I'm just going to be serving with tostitos. So just place them all around it. Or you can serve them individual. Alrighty, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is seriously super delicious. It's so refreshing, it's spicy, the lemon, the shrimp, everything. Best combination ever. Unfortunately today, I'm not gonna be able to taste it just because I just found out that I'm allergic to it. So in the middle of me tasting the sauce, my throat started to swell up, and yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to try it. I mean, I've done this before in the past, so this is nothing new. You know, this is a recipe that we all love and enjoy, but it's just so weird. I guess son los años, you know, I'm getting old and now I'm just developing all this stuff. But yeah, so I hope you give this recipe a try, enjoy it. You know, this is perfect for the summer, for Lent time, for this time of year. So yeah, but cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made some delicious aguachiles rojos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.